Gangtok is the capital of the mountainous northern Indian state of Sikkim. In this video, we will see the best places to visit in the Gangtok. MG Marg Market, Gangtok's main street. The street is free of litter, spitting, smoking and vehicle as all are banned there. It's a popular hangout place and can get very crowded in the evening. Go there to shop, eat and make travel plans. Banjakri Waterfall Park. It is located at 7 km from Gangtok town and it has a 100-foot waterfall located in a landscape park with forested area. And there are many activities are also there, so you can enjoy all these activities. Namgyal Institute of Tibetology. It is established in 1958. Its traditional Tibetan style building houses a museum and a library with one of the largest collection of Tibetan work in the world outside of Tibet. Dodrul Chotan Monastery. This is located near to the institute on the same road. According to its history, this stupa was built by a powerful Tibetan Lama who came to rid the sight of evil spirits that were haunting it. It's surrounded by 108 prayer wheels. Thasi Viewpoint. It is at this point offers the best view of Mount Kanchenjunga within Gangtok. However, some people complain that it's not worth the climb and similar view can be found elsewhere and you will most likely be disappointed on a cloudy day. Flower Exhibition Center. This greenhouse is bursting with high altitude blooms, especially orchid. Orchid bulbs and seed are also available for purchase there. It's open from 10 am until 6 pm. Bakthang Waterfall. This is a wonderful waterfall located on the North Sikkim Highway towards Thasi Viewpoint and about 4 km from the Gangtok. Height of this waterfall is not much, but it's the width of the falls which make it very beautiful. Gonjang Monastery. This monastery was blessed by the Dalai Lama and its proximity to Gangtok make it one of the favorite with the traveler wanting to explore a monastery not far from the town, situated at an altitude of 6066 feet. Ganesh Tok. Amongst the Buddhist monasteries of Gangtok, many temples are also here. Ganesh Tok is a small temple with a beautiful viewpoint in Gangtok, situated on top of a hill. Hanuman Tok. It is located in the upper reaches of Gangtok. The temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman and maintained by the Indian Army. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel.